to change Discord server name on mobile phone. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to change your Discord server name on your smartphone. So for that, just open your Discord in your mobile phone, and after that just open a server that you own. You cannot really change the name of the server that you don't own, so make sure that you are in the server that you own personally. So for example, this particular server that I own. So when you are in the server, just click on the three dot icon from the top, and after that just go to the settings from the top menu, and here just tap on overview. And now as you can see that, and here you can see the server name and other details. So in order to change your server name, you just have to click on the server name and just remove the server name and write the server name of your choice right here and change the name and click on save. And now when you will come back, you can see that the server name has been changed. So this way you will be able to change the Discord server name on mobile phone. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.